how it is written. So it is written by beginning the loop at the lower left. So as we start from the lower left, moving up and to the right, moving up to the right. Okay, start here, moving up to the right, then circling down. So we're circling down, back to the left, and then we a vertical stroke. So this is a teardrop now, so we put vertical stroke there. As explained before, that you can write it other way as well. You can start from here and then connect it like this. So that's another way, but that's not mentioned in the book. If it's in the beginning like this, okay, in the middle like this, and at the end like this. Okay, and if you can connect these, you can connect them. Okay, so another way of writing would be like this. Okay, another one, and at the end would look like this. Okay, so whichever is easy for you, you can adopt one or the other. And we forgot there's one dot on top of it as well. Okay, because to make it different from ta, because ta doesn't have a dot and ta has one dot on top of it.